guys, we have some announcements for you today.
That's right. So just a few quick little things to tell you about today. One is that I have a package of items in a silent auction that is supporting a nonprofit organization here in Eugene, but the auction is available to anyone around the country. The Softroading the West package you can bid on in this auction includes 2 signed prints, a selection of Softroading the West stickers, a set of 4 extremely limited edition Softroading the West coasters, and a set of DVDs containing all 6 of my Overlanding Eastern Oregon episodes from this summer, ad-free in uncompressed full resolution. While you've possibly seen these episodes already on YouTube, it is nice to watch them without the image-degrading compression that YouTube applies, and with no commercial interruptions. While this auction supports a Eugene-based nonprofit, the items can be shipped to wherever you bid from in the lower 48 U.S. states. The auction will open on December 1st and run through December 10th, but for a donation as low as $1 now, you can pre-register and view all of the items in the auction before it opens. Pre-registering before December 1st also gets you 3 entries in a raffle for a GoPro Hero 9 Black. If you're watching this after December 1st, the link below will take you directly to the active auction site. You can still purchase raffle tickets for the GoPro drawing all the way through December 10th. The nonprofit benefiting from this auction is a Eugene organization called Independent Environments. Independent Environments has been operating and staffing group homes for adults with intellectual and developmental disabilities for over 20 years, supporting people who face behavioral barriers to access everyday community life. One of my Patreon supporters works for this local nonprofit and reached out to me, without realizing that the executive director of this organization is actually an old friend of mine. I will put a link to their website below if you'd like to learn more.
It's raining. It is. I just got a drop.
The next thing is that we are putting together another giveaway. It's going to be a year-end giveaway, and we've already got a few things that are coming in, so stay tuned. In a few weeks I'll have more details about that. It is raining. So Lucy is correct, it has started raining, so we're going to go fast here. Third thing is that some of my partners have some interesting discounts available for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Diodynamics and Jackery both have some discounts available for you right now, and I will put information about that in the description below. And the final thing is, we would just like to say thank you to all of you for supporting the channel, and happy Thanksgiving.
You should say happy holidays, not everyone celebrates Thanksgiving.
Oh, right.
Last thing before we head off is we just wanted to thank you all for supporting this channel and have happy holiday. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Yeah.